Hello everyone. So from today onwards, we'll complete all the challenges under MongoDB Node.js developer path for SmartBridge. But before that, we have to register here. We'll click on register, and after clicking on register, it will take us here. Okay, so here if you have created account, you can log in through email address or Google or GitHub. I don't have any account, so we'll click on sign me up, and after clicking on sign up, here type your email address, and after typing your email address, type the first name and then the last name. I'll type my channel name as the first name and the last name, and set a password. After setting your password, give your company name, it's optional. Then we'll click on this checkbox, then click on sign me up, and once you will click on sign me up, it will land you here. Now you guys open your email address. There you are gonna get an email with the subject known as verify your MongoDB email address. Here click on verify email, and after clicking on verify email, it will take you to this new tab, and here we will click on continue, and after clicking on continue, it will take you here see we have successfully completed the registration, and from this next video we'll complete all the challenges under this MongoDB Node.js developer path for SmartBridge. So stay tuned. And one more thing guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time guys. If you like my content, do support with a like and subscribe guys, it will help me a lot. And if you face any kind of error, you can comment it in the comment section. I will be providing the solution as soon as possible guys. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the challenge 1.